Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to write pi symbol in Excel. Let's get started. To write the pi symbol in Excel, click on the target cell and type in the letter P. Highlight the letter and go to the Home tab, where you'll need to change the font type to symbol. And here we go. The symbol for pi is there. To display the exact value of pi is a piece of cake too. Click on the selected cell, type in the equal sign, and carry on typing pi. Select the suggested function by clicking on it and close the brackets, leaving it all empty. Now press enter, and that's it. The value of pi shows in the cell. And if you want to be super accurate, you can display up to 15 digits of the number. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more content like this.